Hello guys, hopefully everyone is fine. In this video we are discussing the concept of pure virtual function. In virtual function what we discussed was that we had a particular class base, and in base class we had a function named void show, and what we did, we pointed cout base over here, right? And in class derived we inherited this class base from this, and again a function show is there, and we have written cout derived, and we close it. When we created mean, we firstly created the object of base class base obj, and as well as pointer p points to obj, and p arrow show base class function get called, right? Then we made this pointer point to the derived class object, and p is storing the address of obj1 and p arrow show. Then again base class function get called. The answer came as base. So to avoid this situation we use the concept of virtual. Now over there virtual function did that pointer if points to base class object, base class function should get called. Pointer if it is pointing to a base class pointer, if it is pointing to derived class object, derived class function should get called. The answer came as base derived in that particular scenario. Now comes the concept of pure virtual function. Firstly, we have to understand some important things. Pure virtual functions, they are available in abstract classes. Abstract class is a base class whose object cannot be created. Very important condition, whose object cannot be created. If let's say this void show is not showing anything, or it's of no use, we will declare it as pure virtual function by assigning 0 value to it. Nothing, we don't need to give any definition to it. If it is of no use, we'll just put it as 0. Here we cannot create the object of base class. It means the only function that should work will be the derived class function. So how we have to do it? So similar previous video we have decided same thing, but over here base class object does not get created. So over here p arrow show should not work. Right, now we are left with derived class object. So we are writing derived obj1, and p is pointing to obj1, and we are writing p arrow show. Since the base class function is of no use, so what we will do is we will declare it as virtual void show is equal to 0 semicolon. This is known as pure virtual function. Why? This is, I'm just writing it again, this is virtual void show is equal to 0. This is known as pure virtual function, and it does not have a body. This is known as pure virtual function, guys. Why? Because it will not be executed, it will always be overridden by void show, which is showing derived, and the base class object should not be created. This is a concept of abstract class. We don't want the functionality to be shown properly. That's what abstract classes are all about. Base star pointer pointing to derived class object, p arrow show. It means this is like an interface, guys. If you don't want it to work, you definitely work with the other one. So virtual void show is equal to 0 is written over here. Void show derived is written over here. Obviously the answer will come as derived only. The base class function is of no use, is already overridden. This is the concept of pure virtual function. So if you have any doubts, kindly post it in comment section. If you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much for the support.